conveniently located at the bottom here, we have this binomial expansion that we can kind of do. It's kind of a binomial expansion. It's just FOIL, really. So if we do what we did before, but the simpler version of it, one thing you can kind of do is recognize that there's a 64x squared in the outer term. I mean, the outer and the inner, it's sort of an important point to make here. You got a minus 8x, but another minus 8x. A lot of times we think, oh yeah, if we multiply by itself, the middle term disappears. But you're thinking of a conjugate of each other. If this is a plus and a minus, there'd be no middle term because this would be a positive and a negative. But we end up with a middle term as a result of this. So we see that we have a -1 and a -1. That gives us a +1. So all we really have to still do is just add those together. You get your -16. There's your deal. Thank you very much.